Hi, welcome again to 5 Minute Revit, and we continue our series in electrical setup. Today we will see how to draw a very specific angle in Revit electrical. Let's see how it works. I will go here in Manage, and in Manage I will go to MEP setting, then I go to electrical setting here. Now I will go to angle here, and you have this dialog box. In Revit you have three options: use any angle, or set up an angle incrementation. That means the incrementation that you want, or you specify your angle. Let's see how it works just in that example here. Before we go to this example, Revit will use any angle supported by fitting. Okay, let's see how it works. I will draw cable tray here, right click on this one, create similar, and I will draw a simple cable tray here. Now I will go to annotation, and I will select here angular here, and I will just draw angular here, just a dimension for angular. Now skip a couple of times. Now if I move this cable tray here, you see here the incrementation here. Now that Revit draw whatever you draw here in an angle, he use whatever the angle you use for drawing. But if you want to specify the incrementation, you go to manage here and setting, electrical setting, and you go to angle here and you set an angle incrementation. That means you force Revit to use what you want. Like for this example, I will use, like for example, a 10 degree, okay? And I put okay here. Now if I move my cable tray here, you see Revit increment by 10. Like let's see if I move a little bit here. Now I have 110. Let's see if I want, like here, to use incrementation of 5, for example. Okay, 5 degree. I will put okay. Now if I move a little bit here, I will have incrementation of 5. This is how you will increment your angle in Revit. You can use your standard, or you can specify, or you can let Revit use the angle that he wants. Thank you, and I hope this tip help you to increase your productivity in electrical setup. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos.